In this video, I'll show you how to use Notion charts, how to turn a database into a chart, and how to customize it so your data is actually easy to understand. The first thing to know is that Notion charts work as a database view. Notion's Help Center says Chart View lets you visualize database items using a bar, line, or donut chart, which means you first need a database with usable properties before you can build a chart. To get started, open your database in Notion and click the plus sign next to your current view. Then choose Chart as the new view type. Notion's chart guide says you create a chart just like any other database view, so it works alongside your table, board, calendar, or timeline views without replacing them. Once the chart view is created, the next step is customization. Notion says you can filter your data and customize the chart so it shows the information that matters most. That means you can build one chart for completed tasks, another for project status, or another for revenue, habits, or content performance, all from the same database. Now let's talk about chart types. Notion's Help Center says you can switch between bar, line, and donut charts. A bar chart is useful when you want to compare categories, a line chart works better when you want to show change over time. And a donut chart is a good choice when you want to show proportions or breakdowns. You can also customize the appearance of the chart. Notion's chart documentation includes options to change the chart type, customize bar or line charts, customize donut charts, change chart style, and save the chart once it looks the way you want. Another really useful feature is drill downs. Notion says charts support drill downs, which means you can interact with the chart to inspect the data behind it more closely. That makes charts useful not just for showing information, but also for exploring what's causing a pattern or result inside the database. If you want a fuller reporting setup, Notion also says you can place charts from multiple databases into a page to create a dashboard. And on higher plans, Notion offers a dedicated dashboard view where you can arrange widgets like tables, boards, calendars, charts, and timelines in one place. A smart way to use Notion charts is to keep your raw data in a table view, then create chart views for reporting. For example, you could track tasks in a table, then create a donut chart for status, a bar chart for team workload, and a line chart for progress over time. Since charts are just views, you can switch between them without changing the underlying data. One important thing to remember is that chart views depend on your database structure. So before making charts, make sure your properties are clean and consistent. Dates, status fields, categories, and number properties usually make the best chart foundations. That is an inference based on Notion's explanation that charts visualize database data through view configuration and customization. So to use Notion charts, create or open a database, add a new chart view, choose the chart type you want, customize the filters and style, and then use it as part of your reporting or dashboard setup. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.